Hey up everybody, it's Gardening with Ben. It's the weekend and the frost has finally gone, so that means we can go back outside to enjoy being out in the fresh air and hopefully get some more work prepared ready for next year's growing down here at the allotment. So let's show you what we're going to be doing down at the plot today. So today we are going to be clearing these 4 beds here. We've been working hard, working his way down the plot and getting all the beds cleared, getting them repaired, as some of them have rotten and they've broken up. As you can see, pieces are missing, so we need to clear them up, clear the pathways, and yeah, make them usable again, ready for next year. Obviously the weeds will grow back, but we'll keep on top of them, keeping them dug over and keeping the weeds down. But we've got a big job over this weekend to get these done, because there's no bed even there, so we need to build a brand new bed there and also a brand new bed there. So yeah, hopefully we can find some wood in my wood pile which I've got up there to get them built and made new again. So yeah, it's going to be a big job over this weekend, getting all these cleared, getting them all tidied, getting rid of all the rubbish, because I'm not a tidy gardener. But yeah, fingers crossed it'll look like that, which we've been working hard on. We've still got quite a few beds to fix up at the top. Once I've done all them, I've got some wood to put on that one, and got this one to repair, move all the bricks because they were there for the netting while all the garlic and the onions were starting off, so the birds won't get them out. But yeah, we're getting there. We are certainly getting there, and all the daffies are starting to pop through down the side, so we're going to have a lot of colour down this side, fingers crossed, this next year, which will look perfect. There's daffodils down that side as well, so it's going to look glorious in springtime. And we've obviously got this new area up at the top where we've got a lot of bulbs in. Hopefully the squirrels haven't taken them all. I've seen evidence of them taking some of the tulip bulbs. Hopefully they've left some in there, and hopefully we'll get some great tulips growing. So yeah, lots to be done this year, lots to be done, but we're cracking on and it's coming on really well. I'm happy with how the plot is transforming and how it's all growing. So let's have the talking and let's get working and warmed up. Right, let's crack on. So we have finished the area that we wanted to do today. We've done a bit more than I thought I would do because I forgot my electric saw, so we can't repair any of the beds today. So we've got to bring that down tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get that done. So I've done a few more beds than the 4 that I'd planned on doing, because I thought I'll do 4 today, 4 tomorrow, and jobs are good ones. But obviously we're forgetting it, I've done 6. So let's have a look at what we've done. So yeah, we have done 6 beds. We've got them 4 cleared, and then we've got them 2 cleared as well. So tomorrow's job will be to continue with clearing them 2 beds, but it's just 1 bed at the moment. It's got no beds built in it, so I've got to find some wood to get all that built, but I've left the worst bit till last. Why do I always do that, leave the worst bit till last? Do the easy bits first before accomplishing the worst bits. But hopefully we'll get that bit done, get it cleared and get it dug over, get a new path laid down here, sort the path out along the top bit, and yeah, get some of these leaves up as well, put them on the compost heap ready for mulching. But yeah, hopefully we'll get all that cleared. But it's coming along pretty well now. I'm happy with how it's all growing. But yeah, as you can see, I've done a lot of the plot. It's all looking pretty good. All the beds near enough dug over and ready for next year, so we'll just have to keep them weed free. Next up, after I've done all the beds, will be to sort the paths out, clear them all, clean them down, get the mud off them so that they're not slippy, and yeah, give them a good brush down and see how we get on. But we're near enough complete. We're getting the main area of growing area cleared and ready for next year, which I'm happy about. It's all looking fantastic, and the garlic's growing well, the onions are growing well, the broad beans are doing well. Everything seems to be coming along really, really well this year. It's still pretty warm. We've only had a couple of frosts this year. We've not had many so far, and we've not had no snow, touch wood. But yeah, while ever it's decent, get yourself outside and get in the garden, getting it all ready and accomplished for next year. So I hope you've enjoyed all that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of me transforming my allotment, and yeah, we'll be back down here tomorrow to continue with that. Fingers crossed it's not frosty and we can finish off doing the digging. So drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Give it a like, give it a comment, feel free to share it. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.